Dude, come check this out.
What is it?
There appears to be an asteroid coming toward Earth.
What?
Don't worry, the team has already measured it. They said it was 0.12 miles wide, so it will most likely burn up in the sky.
Oh good, but we must tell the Meta about this.
Right.
Good afternoon, this is a special report coming into our office. We have just received word from NASA that an asteroid is coming towards the Earth. They measured it and it will predict that it will most likely burn up the sky. This is
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is a civil emergency message. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has discovered an asteroid that is heading towards the Earth. This asteroid is believed to be measured at 0.12 miles in diameter. Do not panic. I repeat, do not panic. NASA believes that the asteroid will most likely burn up in the sky. The Federal Emergency Management Agency is asking all residents of the United States to keep up on the latest news and official information on the situation. Stay tuned for more updates.
Dude, you might want to come here.
What is it?
You know that asteroid that was measured about 1 day back?
Yeah. Why?
It was officially released today, and they said it was bigger than the one that killed the dinosaurs.
Oh crap. Is there any way we can stop this?
I'm afraid not.
Well, we gotta tell the government about this unfortunate tragedy.
We interrupt regular programming to bring you a message from the United Nations. This contains information about the asteroid that is heading towards the Earth. The United Nations has activated this alert to give important information to civilians around the world. Please stand by. A United Nations representative will be speaking shortly.
the NASA administrator will be speaking shortly, but for now, I will give a brief overview of what happened just a few minutes ago. NASA has remeasured the asteroid, and they said it is bigger than the one that killed the dinosaurs. We will now hand the mic over to the administrator of NASA.
I would like to give an apology to everyone in the world. Our headquarters had made a very unfortunate discovery. If you haven't heard yet, the asteroid was remeasured, and the exact measurement is now at 98.1 miles. And if you don't know, the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs was about 46.6 miles wide. There is no way to stop this asteroid. I'm sorry. This may be the end of life on Earth. I will now give the mic back to one of the UN representatives. Thank you.
Thank you. It is a very tragic moment for all of us. We advise you to gather with loved ones and wait out these final moments. Each country will play their national anthem for one last time. Thank you all for listening. See you on the other side.
That was a message from a United Nations representative. We will sign off with one last playing of the Star Spangled Banner. This station will now cease transmission.